Hello, this is Sanjay Lad from CMILonline.com. Now see the chart of Nifty IT index. What it shows you that with the two different time frame charts, it shows you buying. So with the support, it may have the support about 35,500 and marching upward. This video is for educational purpose. We don't recommend any trade over here. If you want to learn more about the stock market, you can contact us by visiting our site www.cmilonline.com. We are at Borivali base, Mumbai based company. Our main office is at Borivali West. Thank you.